And hello, you beautiful people of the Action Property Management team. My name is Bob with R&R Plumbing Services, and today we're gonna talk about hydrojetting. And the crowd goes wild. No? Just me? Okay. So, hydrojetting, what the heck is it? Why should we do it? What are the different methods? And what are some of the risks involved in hydrojetting? Let's talk about it. And my hope is that by the end of this video, one, you'll be able to have a better conversation with the HOA board about hydrojetting, and two, you'll just know more stuff about life and plumbing. But anyway, number one, what is hydrojetting? It is a plumbing method used to clean and maintain a drain line using high pressure water. I mean, it's pretty much washing the inside of a drain line like you would your teeth, except with a high pressure water hose, which you do not want to put in your mouth. Now, number two, what are the benefits of hydrojetting? Well, to go back to the teeth analogy, the benefit is pretty much the same. I mean, don't wash your teeth, they will accumulate buildup, rot, decay, and eventually lose all functionality. On the contrary, brush them, maintain them, and they will perform better and last longer. Now, in the case of a drain system, lack of maintenance can lead to clogs, leaks, and eventually broken pipes that need to be replaced. And as with your teeth, it is cheaper to do the maintenance than to do the repair. Number three, what's the best method of hydrojetting a multi-unit building? Well, it depends. It depends on each building, but to beat the teeth analogy to death, to get the best results, you don't just brush your front teeth, the ones that people see. No, you have to be thorough. You got to get deep down in there. You got to floss. You got to sip on Listerine. Now, the same goes for drain lines and hydrojetting. Being thorough means addressing the three main sections of the drain system that work together to dispose of waste away from the building and into the city sewer line. Now, your three main sections, starting from the top in direction of the waste flow. One, you got your branch lines. This is the first point of contact for plumbing waste when a fixture is open. This leads to number two, your vertical drain line, which is typically shared by multiple units. Waste then free falls, leading to number three, your horizontal line, the anchor in the race, taking the waste to the finish line or the city sewer. Now, in some buildings, these are located in the ceiling of the underground garage. Now, addressing these three sections typically involves going in each unit, hydrojetting through a sink fixture, through the branch line, down the vertical, then jetting the horizontal line away from the building and to the city sewer. Now, a side note, while hydrojetting through the roof vent is an option chosen by some people because, well, it's less expensive, it is worth noting that this method does not address one of the three main sections: the branch line, the drain section connecting the fixture to the vertical line. And finally, number four, what are some of the risks involved in hydrojetting? Now, some risks include one, leaks. If the pipe is already old, the high pressure water can push pre-existing conditions to the edge. Number two, clogs and backups resulting from too much buildup, which can result in water damage. So how do we minimize risk? One, the risks of hydrojetting, like with anything else in life, are heavily reduced by doing regular maintenance. I mean, to resurrect the teeth analogy from the dead, try not brushing your teeth for 10 years. You can't really get mad at the dentist for not being able to save them. Now, for some buildings, regular maintenance includes once or twice a year, but it depends on the building, the number of units, and many other factors. Now, at R&R Plumbing Services, some of the precautions that we take to minimize risks are one, monitoring the residential units during the hydrojetting process to prevent overflows and water damage, and two, regulating the water pressure from the jetter to levels that are safer. So now you might be wondering, well, why the heck hydrojet if there are risks? Well, because the risks of not hydrojetting are much bigger and more expensive than those of doing so. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. That's it on hydrojetting. My name is Bob with R&R Plumbing Services. Thank you, Action Property Management and the team. We are incredibly grateful for the business and the trust. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to hydrojet your drain lines and brush your teeth.